Hi, differential gears. In automotive mechanics, differential gears is an arrangement to transfer the power from the engine into the wheels. These gears divide the power equally between the two wheels, making them move independently from each other. Let's see how they work with the help of MI truck. So here we have the MI truck, which is actually a dumper truck, and I have deliberately removed the axle which transfers the power from the engine to the wheels. So if we rotate it, we can actually see both the wheels rotating. And if we block one of the wheels and rotate the axle, we can still see the wheel rotating. Now they have been designed to work independently. So if one wheel goes forward, the other can be rotated backward as well. In the actual automobiles, you will also find that these differential gears use differential gear oil, and that has to be regularly changed. Isn't this amazing? Thank you for watching this and stay tuned.